Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and today we have episode with old Hot Wheels 5-pack 60s muscle car, the hottest blast from the past. It's from 1990s if I remember correctly. Here date is 1995, so 1995, 96 probably it was released. 5 beautiful models from different times. Castings are from different times because we will see some serious differences in how those castings are made. I like this blister, it's much stiffer than the new transparent ones. It's much stronger, so that's another good thing, but that's not what it is important here. The most important part is those models. We have beautiful metallic red, metal flake, Shelby, Cobra, plastic base, nice wheels, I like those wheels, proper steering wheel, something which sadly is gone now in most of Hot Wheels and Matchbox. We have engine bay, we can see V8 there. I can open it more, but still we can have a look inside. No lights on the rear, on the front, but it could be done. The casting itself is very nice, and I love this color, metallic red with golden metallic strips. Next model is another astonishing model in fantastic silver. Again, plastic base, chrome colors, so that's why we will have no rear lights and no front lights. But this Chevelle is beautiful anyway. I really like it. Then there is something very unusual, I would say, inside, because look, there is no steering wheel. So we will see evolution there from the old proper steering wheels to no steering wheel at all, into more modern, but still not same as in new models, because we have a piece of cheese, but it partially melted. Look, it leaked down, so the cheese is melted. Yummy. And beautiful Corvette. Last one with plastic base. The next two cars models will be with metal base and old type Hot Wheels logo, spare wheel, beautiful green color, Hot Wheels logo, and one of my favorite generation of Chevy Corvette. So what next? And next is something I got recently as a Matchbox, but not as good as this one. This is Mustang, Hot Wheels, metal base, old type Hot Wheels logo, golden, with very nice Mustang with stripes and running Mustang on both sides. Very well made. Proper steering wheel, because the interior is nice, and because we have that Zamak colored front, we have nice grille and a very crude exhaust. Still, this is a beautiful model, and we can see very nicely done V8 there, and you can see how much you can open it. It's very nice thing. And then Arc rival 67 Chevy Camaro. Same story, metal base, old type Hot Wheels. This isn't metallic paint, it's just, that I don't think it was polished, or maybe this is some issues with paint, because those are not metal flakes. If you touch it, it's a little bit like sandpaper. Not as rough, but you can clearly, feel it without no doubt. We have proper steering wheel again, and this yellow with black stripes looks great. We can open bonnet, but it's easier to say than do, and I won't try to open it more because I think I can break it. We can see another V8 with air filter. It's not as good as the one in Shelby or Mustang, but it's still not bad. On the Hot Wheels, I can open bonnet, and then when you are closing it, that click, oh, that's something really, really nice. And that's all in this review. So 5 of much older Hot Wheels. I got those recently. I bought those recently on Vinted France. There is short with parcel. There were more very interesting models there, and I will present those at some point. Which one of those would be your favorite? For me, I think Camaro and Mustang, but all of those are very nice, and most important, they were cheap, because I paid exactly as much for this 5-pack as I would pay in a shop for 20-25 5-packs, which I think is great value. So I'm very happy. I hope you are happy too, seeing those 5 beauties. As usual, all the best for all of you, and see you soon. Bye bye.